Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again this week we're going to analyze the market together to take our entry in the market. So guys, don't forget that if you want to have free signals every single day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because every single morning we share our signals, so we take our entry in the market. So guys, if you want to have free signals, as I said, you can subscribe. So quickly guys, I'm going to show you where I'll take my entry in the GBPJPY. As you can see here, that's my strategy on the market for the following week. I will waiting to take my entry just after the pullback in that zone. In that zone, after the pullback, I will take my entry and determine my profit just like that. So guys, I'm going to give you a clear idea. About where you can take your entry if you'd like to take advantage of the market. So guys, here as you can see, we got a nice move. It's like a head and shoulders here, and then we got a nice pullback here. We can also say that it's look like a falling flag. So as you can see here guys, it's look like a falling flag. So guys, that is why I say that we can waiting for a bearish market on the GBPJPY. We're supposed to get a nice pullback in that zone. Once you got the pullback, so guys, I'm going to take my entry here just quick after the pullback. I will take my entry here and determine, maybe you can place your stop loss over here, you can place your stop loss here, that depends on you. So guys, and then you can determine your first seek profit. You can take your first seek profit just right here. Your first seek profit is supposed to be here, just above that zone. Why I say that? Because we got too many move in that zone. The market coming that many times. You can take your first profit in that zone, and then maybe you can waiting for to take your second profit here. That depends of the move of the market. If the market just come in that zone, and doing something like that and continue the job, we'll take our second profit here. By the way, if the market just come in that zone, we have to place our stop loss just below that zone, because you don't know, the market can maybe come up again. We don't have to take a stop in the market like that, or out of the market with a break even. You can take your first seek profit in that zone. So quickly guys, let me go in the GBPUSD with you guys. That is where in the GBPUSD guys, that is where I'm going to take my entry in the 4 hours. As you can see here, we got a nice trend, we got a nice uptrend market, and then at that price I determine something like that, and we're supposed to waiting for something like that. I'm waiting for the pullback in that zone, and my stop supposed to be here, and I will take my first profit in that zone. I will take my first profit in that zone. Why I say that? That's because of that zone here. That's because of that zone. As you can see, there are many impact just what here, just many impact in that zone, and then that is why I'm going to take my profit just what here. So guys, pay close attention. If you'd like to take advantage of the market, you have to understand every single move that the market doing. You know, trading is like that. You don't have to take like 100% on a trade. You don't have to take 100% on a trade. However, if you know what you're waiting for, you can take advantage of the market. I cannot determine our first profit like that. That would be a bit crazy. By the way, I determine my first profit here. If the market willing to give me something like that, that will be good also. But first, I determine my first profit in that zone, because I can see here the market come at many times, and then that is why I'm willing to take my first profit in that zone. So guys, pay close attention, and I hope you understand every single decision that you're going to take in the market, and I hope you understand the video as well guys. Here quickly, this is my goal, and the goal as well, I'm going to take my entry just like that in the market. I'm going to take my entry just like that. As you can see here, that's a really nice market, here guys. As you can see, I'm on the 1 day. Let me go quickly, and the 4 hours. Okay guys, so quickly, as you can see here, it look like a head and shoulders. As you can see here, it look like a head and shoulders. By the way, I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback in that zone, and then taking my first profit. You can maybe waiting for a first profit here because of that zone. You know, because of that zone, you can waiting to take your first profit here. If you see the market doing something like that, you have to get out of the market. You can place your stop loss just above that zone, and then determine your first take profit just right here, and the second one can be here. So guys, that will be a really nice move. Just about next week, guys, that would be a really nice move here. As you can see here, I read into for a pullback here and then taking my profit in the market right here and the gold. Quickly, mate, let me go in the USD and the USD as well. I'm waiting for something like that. Let me go into 4 hours, guys. Let me go into 4 hours to give you a clear idea about what I'm talking. So, guys, he also, as you can see, I'm waiting for a pullback just in that zone. I'm waiting for a pullback. Once I got a pullback in that zone, I will place my entry just like that. I'll place my entry just like that, and my stop supposed to be here, just above that zone, and then my first profit can be here, and I can take the second one just right here. Why I say that? That's because of that zone. That's because of that zone, and I can take my second profit in that zone. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you take advantage of the following week on the market. However, you can use strategy to determine and take advantage of the market. This is only price action, huge trade price action. And if you want to have like more signals every single morning, because before we take our entry in the market, we share our signals where take our entry at the exact price. Pay close attention, and I'm so happy that you are here once again this week to take advantage of the market with us, guys. Thank you for being here.